everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I am going to share how I make crispy oven roasted pork belly. This is a traditional Norwegian Christmas dish with an Asian twist, mga cooking ina. They call this in Norway ribbe recipe. And the ingredient of this recipe are pork belly. I have a pork belly here like this, and we need salt, whole black pepper, bay leaves or pamintang dahon, pork cube, lemongrass, and garlic, and water. So the procedure of this recipe, mga cooking ina, join with me and let's do it together. First, we're going to slice the belly. We do like this, mga cooking ina. Very simple to do this, mga cooking ina. In Philippines, in Christmas, New Year, our tradition also, we need to have lechon baboy. In Norway, they have ribbe, this recipe, mga cooking ina. We just slice like this, mga cooking ina. So, then we do like this. Cut in here in the middle. The ribbe, we need to cut like this. This is the way they cut their belly to make it ribbe, mga cooking in a ribbe recipe. So now, we're going to transfer this in our baking plate. We put in here, then we add our lemongrass. So we put lemongrass inside and then in here, and then salt. We put salt, mga cooking ina. We just do like this. We put the salt also there. So then we're going to add our bay leaves or pamintang dahon, then our whole black pepper. And then, I like to put pork cubes, giving more flavor to our pork ribbe, mga cooking ina. So we just do like this. Then, a few cloves of garlic for more flavor. At this point, mga cooking ina, we're going to add water, mga cooking ina. We just put like 2 cups to 3 cups of water. And at this point, mga cooking ina, we're going to cover this with the aluminum foil. So we're going to cover this. Do like this. Now it's covered. And we're going to put it in our oven, which is preheated of 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, mga cooking ina. So after 30 minutes, mga cooking ina, we're going back. Now, mga cooking ina, after 30 minutes, we cook our crispy oven roasted pork belly. It's ready for the next stage of our cooking, mga cooking ina. And I already cooled down this. So look at that one. You see that, mga cooking ina? We're going to brush this. Oy, 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 mga cooking ina. We need to drain this, mga cooking ina. Like this. Oy, oy. You see that, mga cooking ina? Oy, we transfer here. See? Uy, it smells good, mga cooking ina, because of the lemongrass. We're going to sprinkle salt like this to make it more tasty, the skin of our pork, mga cooking ina. Diba? That's the trick. Now, mga cooking ina, we're going to bake this again in our oven with the temperature of 240 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So, after 45 minutes to 1 hour, mga cooking ina, see you again. And we will see the result of our ribbe recipe or crispy oven roasted pork belly, mga cooking ina. And now, after 1 hour, we put it in the oven. Our ribbe is ready, mga cooking ina. Look! And then, listen, mga cooking ina. You heard that? It's crispy, mga cooking ina. So now, mga cooking ina, let's plate this together. I need a plating plate. I have a plating plate here with a salad. Just do like this, mga cooking ina. We're going to transfer this here, mga cooking ina. Look at our ribbe, mga cooking ina. And we're going to cut this here. It's very crunchy, mga cooking ina. It's very good, mga cooking ina. Then we cut this here. And we just arrange this here. You see that? Oh, it's juicy, mga cooking ina. Look, mga cooking ina. You see that? It's juicy, our ribbe, mga cooking ina. So, we continue cutting this, mga cooking ina. So, it smells good, mga cooking ina. And this one. So, see that, mga cooking ina? Then we're going to garnish, mga cooking ina. In the fatty food, mga cooking ina, I like to garnish apple. So, we just try to make it beautiful, our presentation, mga cooking ina. Something color so that it's more look beautiful, our presentation, mga cooking ina. Diba? Right, mga cooking ina? We just do like that. O, diba? So, then, ready. And then, little bit of spring onions. Just do like that. O, diba? So, diba? It's look beautiful, our ribbe. And now, here is the famous Norwegian Christmas dish, ribbe, with a twist of cooking Ina Siargao. We named this crispy oven roasted pork belly. So juicy, tasty, and crispy, mga cooking ina. I hope you will try this recipe in your kitchen for your family as well. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen with Cooking Ina Siargao. Hope you like my video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!